today it is my 21st birthday again for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my wonderful birthday set, I knew I wanted to have sparkle and frost and glitter, holographic, everything. So first in with Noel on the middle finger, and then over to the pointer I've used Twinkle Shine, like a triangle shape, Christmas tree shape actually, and then Twilight Sparkle, beautiful silver one, holographic as well, just like Noel, so they all tie together. It's got little stars and little love hearts in there as well, all the way up to near the cuticle, and then I'm going to finish off around the cuticle with Twinkle Shine again, so it goes from iridescent to holographic to iridescent, has a nice kick through it, and then obviously I'm going to do some line work on top at the end. Over to the ring finger, and I'm basically doing an ombre from Twinkle Shine to Twilight Sparkle with like a diamond of Noel just over the nail bed area, and then more line work on top of that one. That's done as well. On the pinky, I'm just doing trails of diagonal powder glitter. So like one of each, a line of each, just from top to bottom of the nail. And I've mixed up on a ratio of 4:1 clear and white. I mixed up like what do you call it? A transparent white, cloudy kind of colour, you know? And I capped the pointer and the ring finger and the pinky in that, and then I capped the middle and thumb in clear, so it was just the glitter that would show through. The thumb was an ombre between Noel and Twinkle Shine, and then do all my filing and shaping, and then onto the line work. The line work was pretty much totally at random. I knew the obvious that I wanted to go around the diamond, and I wanted to do that line that I've just done now around the triangle, the Christmas tree shape of Twinkle Shine. But that was about it. So the rest of it was pretty much just freestyle. Just see how it goes, see what happens. So every time I'd do a line, I'd stop after I finished and then look at it and think, where else? What am I doing next? Next in with my crystal gel. It's just like a really thick builder gel. So I put a streak down, it's like a slightly curved, just a wonky line down the centre of the nail. And then I pop on the top coat as well. And then when it cures, there's no tacky residue left over from the builder gel. I got loads of opals, different coloured opals, and they all arrived on that day, which was yesterday when I did them. Pop on top coat on the rest of the nails, all gloss top coat, and then into the lamp for a full cure. And then I decided I wanted to use rainbow foil from Smileys Glitter Store on my ring finger as well, and then top coated that again, and then into the lamp for the final cure, and then obviously cuticle oil and a little video for you. And there you have my fabulous birthday set. So I'm off out to go enjoy a glass of alcohol without children around my feet. Woo! One day a year. Stay slayin', and I'll see you soon. Bye!